What if I told you that your DNA is not your destiny? That the blueprint you inherited from your parents is not fixed, but more like a script that you can rewrite every single day of your life. This is the science and the mystery of epigenetics. Epigenetics literally means above genetics. Think of your DNA as a book filled with thousands of pages, your genes. Every cell in your body has the same book, but not every cell reads the same pages. Epigenetics is like sticky notes, highlighters, or bookmarks placed on your DNA that tell your cells, read this page, skip that one. And here's the twist. Those notes can change. Stress, diet, environment, exercise, meditation, even your thoughts and emotions can influence which genes are turned on or off. So instead of being locked into the genetic code you were born with, your lifestyle choices can literally shape how your genes express themselves. Let's bring this down to earth. Imagine two identical twins, same DNA. One spends years in high stress, eats poorly, and barely sleeps. The other practices mindfulness, eats a balanced diet, and moves their body daily. 10-20 years later, science shows their gene expression will look very different, even though their DNA was identical. It's like two people given the same piano, but one learns to play harmonious melodies, and the other lets it go out of tune. The instrument is the same. The expression is what changes everything. This is where it gets fascinating. If your thoughts and emotions can influence gene expression, then your mind isn't just a passenger in your biology. It's a co-creator. Ancient spiritual traditions have always taught that the mind and body are deeply connected. Epigenetics gives this wisdom scientific validation. When you practice gratitude, meditation, forgiveness, or simply shift your perspective, you're not just feeling better. You may actually be changing the biochemical environment in your cells, instructing your DNA to express health instead of disease, vitality instead of decline. Research backs this up. Studies show that meditation can influence the activity of genes related to inflammation. Exercise has been proven to activate genes involved in energy metabolism and muscle growth. Even your social connections, love, compassion, and community leave molecular signatures on your DNA. It's as if your genes are listening to your life. The message of epigenetics is simple but profound. You are not a prisoner of your genes. Yes, you may carry genetic risks for certain conditions, but those risks are not set in stone. Your daily choices are like the hands that turn switches on a genetic control panel. Eat whole, nourishing foods, move your body, rest deeply, manage stress, surround yourself with positive environments, cultivate thoughts that support healing, not fear. So what does epigenetics mean in everyday life? It means that every moment is a chance to rewrite your biology. Every thought, every meal, every breath is a signal to your genes, telling them how to play the song of you. The science is clear. Your life doesn't just happen to you, it happens through you. You are the author, and epigenetics is the proof that you can hold the pen. Your DNA may be the script, but you, your choices, your consciousness are the editor. The question is, what story will you choose to write? If this video opened your mind to new possibilities, please give it a like, share it with someone who needs to hear this message, and subscribe for more content that bridges science and empowerment. Your support helps us reach more people with these life-changing insights.